Hey, what's up everyone? It's B here with Cali Motor TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at A&S Motorcycles in Sacramento, California, test riding another Ducati. I picked out this bright orange Ducati Scrambler 62. It's the little bike of Ducatis. It's only 400 cc's, so entry bike. Let's see. So while I get geared up, you guys can take a look around this very cool looking bike, and I'll see you out on the street. Alright, all geared up and on the road. So again, we're on the Ducati Scrambler 62. It's the low displacement Scrambler, 400cc, about 40 horsepower. Very cute. It has this awesome atomic tangerine color. Super rad, super rad. So this is definitely a little beginner bike. It doesn't have too many bells and whistles. Again, beginner bike. But this is full throttle. We're going, we're coming, we're coming. Bill is on the brand new 2020 1250R. He's super excited. I can actually flat foot this bike. It has a low seat option, so that's really rad. So, but back to the little Scrambler. So it is really little, but it's not too little. It doesn't feel like, it kind of feels like a big bike, but it's really light. It's a low displacement bike, so super light. I love light bikes. It's so much easier to ride. It's so much less to like worry about. I love it. All right. So, sorry, upshifting, downshifting. I struggle with that. This is regular shift. All our bikes are in GP shift. So sitting position, super relaxed, super comfortable. You have the wide bars so you can push it easy left to right. Very nice. I enjoy it a lot. Oh, this is just not fair. The seat is super duper. I can't express how comfy this seat is. Super duper comfy. Like, you could ride this thing for hours at a time and not really get tired, I think. When you're really on the throttle, it starts to vibrate a little bit, but it's not bad. Maybe like if, you know, like just riding along, it's like a 3, and when you're on it, like a 5 out of 10. So it's really not bad. So again, this is your entry bike, so it doesn't have too many bells and whistles. You see, it's a very simplistic display. It actually doesn't have a gear indicator. It only tells you if you're in neutral. So that sucks a little because I'll be definitely fussing with gear. And counting gears, as a beginner rider, I like my first bike had a gear indicator, and it helps out a lot to kind of know where you're at. I still miscount shifts sometimes, and I'll peak down, I'll admit to that. So it's kind of nice. I wish it had it. But I don't think it's like a deal breaker. You just gotta, someone needs to learning a bicycle. Yep, I got that on camera, Missy. But very nice little nimble bike. So it doesn't have like any traction control and any of the rider aids. It does have ABS, which is nice, so you can't lock up your brakes. So that's great. It doesn't have traction control, unfortunately. So a lot of the entry-level bikes don't have traction control, like the entry-level Monster doesn't have it, MT-07 doesn't have it. I don't believe the SV has any form of traction control, so it's really not a deal breaker, and like at the low price points it's really not there. But definitely doesn't have as much go as the 1250, but it gets out of the zone away. The brakes are very soft. I wish it had a little more grip, but then again, remember, I'm used to race bikes. All our bikes have steel braided lines. They have all race bike brakes, so that's what I'm just used to. If you're a new rider, it's actually not a horrible idea not to have super touchy brakes, because you don't undo your bike. Always a plus, right? So it's quite toasty today, but I don't really feel more heat than I would anticipate coming up from the bike. The exhaust is down there, so it's not like anywhere by your legs, so it's not burning my leg. I get flat-footed. If I sit a little further behind, actually my feet in relationship to the pegs sticking out, really not bad. It's kind of nice. I can use my shins to push it a little forward. Since my boots are right about there, it doesn't actually hurt me, so this is nice. So I'm 5'6", like 120 pounds give or take. So this is how that bike fits me. Very nice. We're coming. So definitely not the quickest thing around, but if you're a beginner rider, you don't want all that horsepower. You won't know what to do with it. Like, I would take this to ride downtown any day of the week than having to lug around like a really big bike. Let's turn off the indicator. So it's so comfy. Like, I actually really enjoy this bike. Like, I really do. It's comfy. It's really nimble, but it's got some go. Like, I think it would be really fun in the twisties. Yeah, I'm all about low displacement bikes. It's kind of funny. So yeah, there's really not a lot of menu to go through, because this is kind of what you see is what you get. It's very simple. It's not very distracting. It tells you your trip. It tells you how fast you're going, what RPMs you're at, and that's that. Really, you don't really need more information than that in the beginning, right? Like I said, just a gear indicator, that would have been super nice. But I'll take it because the seat is really, really, really comfy. So, since this is the brand new bike, and as I was trying to keep the miles low, so this was a very short ride. So sorry about that, guys. But really, this bike is very simple. It's straightforward. It's a little beginner zoom bike. And there's really not too much to talk about it. It's simple to ride. It looks rad. I love it. It's like born free imprint on the gas tank. I love it. I've noticed it on a few of those bikes. You know, the brakes, the seat, the heat coming off the bike, everything is just very nice. It's a nice bike. It's, you know, was it like S1000RR? No. But it's, you know, it doesn't cost as much, and it's really not meant to be one. It's a very, very simple bike for your first bike. Oh, let's see. We found neutral, so that's always good. Kickstand. Always hard to find kickstands when you don't know where they are. But let's take a look around it one more time, because it does look quite pretty. Look at that. It's adorable. It's cute. Like, look, I would probably put street tires on it because I'm not a fan of knobbies, so that'll be my mod. Levers on it are really nice. The throttle control is great. It looks adorable. It's very stylish. It's very fresh feeling. So I love this little bike. It's cute. If I had the spare money and needed like a bike to put around downtown, I would get that. It's cute. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you ANS Motorcycles for allowing us to do those test rides. If you have any questions or concerns, comment below. If you would like us to ride a specific bike, we can ride pretty much just about anything that Ducati, Triumph and BMW has to offer that's on the market. So let us know. Comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.